Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on TaskRabbit detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin saving on TaskRabbit, you should create an account at the TaskRabbit website or app. Familiarize yourself with the platform and browse various services offered to understand pricing and availability. Look for popular tasks that you may need assistance with, such as furniture assembly, cleaning, or moving services. Compare task prices by checking multiple taskers in your area, as rates can vary significantly. Read reviews and ratings for each tasker to ensure you're hiring a skilled professional who meets your standards. Consider using promotions or referral codes that TaskRabbit might offer for new users or specific services. Plan your tasks during off-peak hours to potentially benefit from lower rates, as demand can influence pricing. Bundle multiple services from the same tasker to negotiate a better deal. Utilize the in-app chat feature to discuss your needs with potential taskers and clarify any questions about pricing. Stay aware of any seasonal discounts or special offers that TaskRabbit may promote throughout the year. Ensure to set a clear budget before commencing your tasks to prevent overspending. If possible, provide your own materials or supplies to reduce costs on certain tasks. Consider pre-scheduling routine tasks that may allow for better rates over time. Evaluate what tasks you can perform yourself to save money while still utilizing TaskRabbit for more complex jobs. Keep an eye out for social media promotions or newsletters that might provide exclusive discounts for users. By following these strategies, you can efficiently save money while benefiting from TaskRabbit services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.